Behind the Roche Football Club, standing atop a 66-foot tall granite rock outcrop, with views out towards Bodmin Moor and the China Clay Mountains of St Austell, is Roche Rock Chapel. The chapel has been ruined for 250 years, but a substantial enough structure remains for us to visit and explore. Built in 1409, the ruined chapel is dedicated to St Michael and has been surrounded by myth and mystery for hundreds of years. According to local folklore, a hermit and his daughter once lived within the rocky structure. However, the hermitage was last occupied by a family of local landowners who stayed here after contracting leprosy so as to avoid infecting the village people of Roche. Roche Rock Chapel is approximately 9 metres long and 5 metres wide externally, with walls more than half a metre thick. It consists of 2 rooms, one on top of the other. Access for worshippers was originally gained via rock-cut steps, but now my dad and I have to climb 2 iron ladders. The first located near the north side of the chapel, and the second taking us from the lower room to the upper room. Not a climb for the faint-hearted. So welcome to Bad Hair Adventures, or Bad Ladder Adventures in this particular case, as we are climbing inside Roche Rock Chapel ruins. It's pretty cool, a bit dicey with the ladders. James and my mum have elected to stay down, away from the ladders. Obviously we've got the dog as well, so someone would have to stay, and I think James is using that as an excuse to not climb the ladders. So I've taken one for the team. Here I am. My feet feel a bit wobbly. The rock on the site forms the north and west walls of the lower chamber. The other walls were constructed in dressed granite blocks, most likely quarried locally. Only the east wall and parts of the north and south walls remain, with the east wall standing almost at its full original height, still with its 2 windows, a small one in the lower room and a larger arched one in the upper. The lower room was used as living quarters by the priest, said to be a hermit, who relied on penitents or family members to sustain him with gifts of food and drink. The upper chamber was used for worship. Have I seen it?
Bit steep. Don't walk too far, you'll fall over.
Wow.
Nice view.
The hermitage is also associated with a number of Cornish folk tales. Most notably was the story of Jan Tregeagle, Cornwall's own Faust, who, they say, made a pact with the devil and tried to find refuge in the chapel to escape the demons chasing him. It has also been said that the doomed lovers of 12th century medieval legend Tristan and Isolde hid here when their love had been discovered by Isolde's husband, King Mark of Cornwall. Dad, going down the steps. Carefully. Very carefully.